Welcome back, y'all, and happy holidays. We have another cute video today, a sweet treat for the holiday fever. We'll be making some brown butter pecan cookies, and let's get started on our all-purpose flour. We are just sifting 2 cups of AP. Stands for all-purpose flour if you didn't know. And shake, 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 shake. And here is our 2nd cup. All right, guys, let's add about a teaspoon of baking soda. A teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon of cinnamon. And let's add about a cup of dark brown sugar. And let's add in about a half a cup of white sugar. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of agave syrup. You can also use maple syrup or just regular pancake syrup. We're going to give all of this a whisk. We're going to be adding 2 eggs. Mix all of that together, and you could already tell our mixture is coming together to create a dough. So just keep playing around with it and it will turn into cute little cookie dough. In the meantime, let's melt a stick of butter. We're going to let this simmer on medium low heat until it turns brown. You could already see our butter is turning that nice golden brown. So after a few minutes, y'all, it should look something like this. And we're going to go ahead and pour that into our cookie dough. Now mix all of this together. And really dig deep, y'all, because it's a little sticky and a little liquidy, but it'll come together. We're going to be adding our pecans. Just have some chopped pecans. Take a couple handfuls. And we're going to be adding some marshmallows. We got the minis. Now combine everything, and we are going to place this in our refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour, or you could chill this overnight. We just want the dough to firm up a little bit so we can turn it into cookies. Let's get a close up. Nice and sticky. Ooh. Right, y'all, let's move to the fridge. Just placing a little bit of plastic wrap on there. And boom, we will return. Hey guys, it's been about an hour. And you can see our mixture is thick. We're taking an ice cream scoop. We're just going to take some chunks and place it on our baking sheet. And y'all, I should have separated them a little bit more further apart. They are still a little close, but you know, we're going to do what we can do because we turned into this a cookie cup. So it doesn't have to be perfect. They don't have to be too far apart, too close, whatever, y'all. We're just baking them together. Okay. Our cute little cookie balls are ready to go into the oven for 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And just make sure you keep an eye out on them. Go ahead and pop them in the oven and we will be back. And we are back. And as you can see, our cookies molded and melted together, which is perfectly fine. I'm going to take this cute little cup while it's hot. Just do a little circular motion just to get some of that cookie dough around the rim. And y'all, this is so cute for like Christmas stuff. Having like a little Christmas party. You want to do something different. Cute. And we're just going to take some chunks of that cookie and place it into our cup. You can see how nice and gooey and soft our cookie is. You see that marshmallow and little pecan pieces. Okay. And y'all, the house is gonna smell delightful. It's gonna most definitely make your house smell like fall. So this is a perfect for the holiday parties. And after you filled your cup with some of that nice gooey cookie, add your little ice cream. Top it off with some little pecans, more marshmallows if you want. And boom, there you have your brown butter pecan cookie cup. So cute, delicious, soft, gooey. Y'all go like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys later. Bye.